OpenEx Testnet App is available for download for each and every one of us. But what is the important update that we all need to know? Is there any part in which we need to link address? We're going to find out in today's video, so buckle up and get ready. Let's find out what we need to do. So what do we need to do? What we basically need to do is to check what they have said. So their latest announcement says, good morning, after much anticipation, we're thrilled to release the OEX Testnet App Alpha preview. Although not all features are available yet, this version allows for address verification tasks. Download here. So the download link is going to be in the description box. You can check it out there or in our WhatsApp and Telegram. It's already posted there for all to see. So our community's concurrent online presence has consistently exceeded 10K, with website UV hitting over 900K. The testnet has faced intermittent instability under high loads. Huge thanks for enthusiasm and patience. Currently, the testnet operates on low hardware specs with slower block times, which may not provide the best user experience, but this is crucial for pushing our hardware to its limit and uncovering more issues. Let's look forward to solving this together for a better mainnet. So this is very good. So let's start the process. So what do you need to do? First of all, you need to download from Google Cloud. As you can see, it is downloading. Basically, this is the interface you see once you open the app. So what you're going to need to do is to import or sign up. Which one are you going to do? If you already have done the testnet with your wallet, then just copy the private key. How to copy private key? We treated that in these two videos, so you can just watch the videos, get to the part of private key, copy your private key, and then post. Only private key can be used. So if you click on import, which I'm also going to be doing because I already used the wallet, so that you can save your previous progress. Then you paste it over here and then click on next. Next thing that you need to do is input your passcode twice before clicking on done. Wow, a new interface, and you can see all the tokens that you have already. But is this all? No, there are some new tasks that need to be completed. So let's just explore. So here you can see the assets, your testnet assets. None of this holds any real value. If you click on hub, what you can see is what you normally see on the testnet: swap, faucet. And if you click on faucet, what do you see? You can see the part of the quiz which we already covered in this video, so make sure to watch it out if you have not completed it. Then these other ones are not available yet, but as I said, new features roll out, so please be patient. You have to complete that and get your 10 OEX. Then if you switch over to trade, you can see how to trade. Now there's a task that we're going to do, so just follow along. The task will require you to do what I'm doing right now, so make sure you have these three tokens. Let's go over assets. So which tokens do we need to have in our wallet for the testnet? So first of all, you need to have OEX, which I have over here. You need to have USDT and you need to have AGI. So we don't have AGI. Let's go to trade, then click on OEX to USDT, normally as if you're trading a token on an exchange. Then click on AGI, select AGI, wait for it to load. Note that it's not in the best condition, so it can be slow. Then you buy one AGI, just click on buy AGI and wait for it to load. Once it shows you trade success at the top, you're good to go. Then you go over to mission. So if you don't have any OEX in your wallet, then buy it the same way I did it. Then if you do not have testnet USD, then use the faucet and get 10 USDT testnet tokens. Then as you can see, if you go to mission, you can see all these missions. Now what are these missions? Let's read what they have to say. Complete the missions to link your wallet for airdrop collection. Airdrop collection. Higher completion rates may increase initial receipt amount and expedite batch entry times for collection. So what this basically means is that the more missions you complete will increase the amount you will receive initially to your wallet when it is dropped, and then how many you receive per batch. So that means that there's probably going to be a vesting time, or more like every month you receive a particular amount of tokens. So hopefully you do it well. So let's start with mission Z. Now mission Z is easily completed. How do you complete mission Z? watch this video, complete the KYC, and get the testnet USD, just as I said before. Let's go back. Mission L. How do you do it? Also very simple. So this is the testnet task in which you are going to need to have the USDT, OEX, and AGI. Make sure that you have one of each. For USDT, you need to have one. For OEX, you need to have at least one. For AGI, you need to have one. So make sure to buy that. And once you have done it, click on submit. So once you click on submit, wait for it to load, check, and you'll be done. It is passed. Go back. Then there are remaining 3 tasks. Very easy to complete. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new videos when they come out on the channel. Like the video and let's continue. Go to settings, also at the bottom, and then you would need to check out displays. If you want to change the theme to white, that is the background, you can. If you want to click cache here, you can also. If you want to scan to send to others, you can do that. If you want to use code, that is QR code, you can also do that. So you scan other people's QR code and you also put your own QR code for others to scan. It's all your choice. Then if you want to back up by getting your own private key, you can also do it over here. Let's get back to the mission section. Then you need to complete mission T. And what mission T is a complete task. This task is for Telegram and might not be working for some people, but all you need to do is to click on it and then copy it. Then go to your Telegram. Search for AGX bot as you can see over here and click on it. Click on start. Make sure there is no space in between the addresses, between the address, that is, there's no space in the address because sometimes they can add space. So make sure to remove that space and then click on send. So once you click on send, there is really nothing to do, nothing pops up. So this is how you bind your wallet to your Telegram account, and that's all you can do for now. If there's any updates, of course I'll keep you updated. Mission X is for Twitter, so click on Mission X, then put in your X username. We already know what that is. Put in your X username and then click on next step. What's the next step? The next step is to copy what you can see: OEX, mainnet, TGs, cooking, etc. Copies and go to Twitter. Once you go to Twitter, you need to post it. That is, copy it and then paste it as a post. So you can see that plus blue button. Yes, that's it. Click on post and then you would need to paste what we have already copied. After pasting it, post it. And then I'm just going to go to my post. You can also use your profile and then copy it. So it's copied. Then you go back to the OEX Testnet app and then paste it there. Once you paste the link, you see that it will shorten. And what you shorten to is the X status. Now there's a way you can do it manually, but if they're shortening it for you, then there's no need for us to delve into that. What you just need to do is click on check status. Then make sure you copy the right thing, and if you copy the right thing with the right username, it would all check out in a few minutes. If you are sure that you did everything and it still shows you red, don't worry, just click on check status again and everything will tick good. Then you need to click on finish mission. Once you click on finish mission, it is successful. You can see it over here, X status, and you're good to go. Now I'm sure you're saying there's a last task. Well, there is. The only problem is that it doesn't work. I've tried it many times and it hasn't worked. That is the email, in which you need to connect your email, and of course you need to use the one that you use in the Satoshi app. But for now, it's not functional and we have to wait till it is. You need to put in your country if it works for you. Then please put in the comment section. If you have any questions, in the comment section too. And you can also join our Telegram channel and ask a question or any suggestion under, leave a comment. Of course, reply to that. And well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. See you then.